So hey guys, welcome back to Pura. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Monica. I'm the owner of Pura. In today's video, we're going to be making this gorgeous blue clay face mask. If you guys want to see how I made this really easy recipe, then keep on watching. Our blue clay face mask. I am going blank on the name of the clay right now, but I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen. Let's start off with our oil phase ingredients. So we're going to start with acetyl alcohol 0.5, oleum 1000 1.5 grams, and meru butter. We're using it at 1.5 grams as well. And then our oil, we're using coconut fractionated oil. We're using this at 2 grams. So we're going to set this to the side and measure out our water phase in this beaker. We need 5 grams of glycerin, 14 grams of distilled water, so we're gonna melt these two phases together, come back and combine them. So what we're gonna do is we're going to combine the water phase into the oil phase. Our immersion blender and blend. Okay, so let's bring in our water bath and mix until the temperature drops below 40. Okay, so as the temperature is dropping, we're going to bring this back and add the rest of our phases. We need preservative is 0.25 grams. Our essential oil is 0.75 grams and our vitamin E is 0.25 grams. Essential oil is 0.25 grams and vitamin E 0.5 grams. Let's mix all of that together. It smells so good, guys. I'm using sweet orange for my scent. Okay, let's add our clay. I'm looking forward to how this clay turns out. Okay, we need 3.25 grams of our clay. Let's set this to the side and just mix that gorgeous color into our mixture. I have to say this is by far one of my favorite clay colors to use, next to the rose clay and the green clay. Okay, so we've got everything mixed together now. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this into our sanitized container. Okay, so let's place this. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so here is what the clay is looking like. Don't you guys just love this color? It's absolutely stunning. Love it.